Hello, physical systems. Today you guys are going to use a roller coaster simulation. And so I'm just going to show you how it works and what you could do. So all your controls are here at the bottom. Well, most of the controls are here at the bottom. There are also these red dots on these hills. I'll show you what those are for in a second. If I click run, I can watch my little roller coaster car go down the hill and all the way back to the other side. And you'll notice that it goes right back to where it started. So today you're looking at potential and kinetic energy in class. So we're looking at how this car is converting potential energy, which is the energy something has when it is at a certain height. So it has the potential to fall. And kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is just energy or something that's anything that's moving has kinetic energy. If you get hit by something that's moving, it will transfer energy to you, which is why it hurts when something hits you. Because it's the transfer of energy. So I can click amount of energy, and as you're working on the questions on the simulation, I want you to keep amount of energy checked. So I want you to notice that the white arrow represents potential energy. Potential energy goes up and down as the car goes along the track, and kinetic energy is this magenta or pink colored arrow that also goes up and down. This is because the height and the speed of the car is constantly changing as it goes along the track. You can also click on trace to see its previous path, but it's up to you. It kind of shows you how fast it was moving. The farther apart the dots are, the faster it was moving. But we're not going to necessarily use that for the questions today. So one of the challenges I'm going to give you guys, is there a way to reset this? I want the car to go back to the left. One of the challenges I'm going to give you guys is I want you to find an arrangement of hills that will prevent the car from going to the very right side of the screen. So for example, I can change the height of each hill. I can make that one higher. I can make this one lower. I'll make this one a little bit in the middle. I can make this all at the bottom. I can click on run. And it looks like this car isn't moving, but it is slightly moving because there's even the tiniest bit of hill gives this car to move. That car still makes it all the way to the end. So can you find an arrangement of these hills that will prevent the car from going to the very end? And you can play around with it. You can make them all go very steep. You can make them all go extremely high. And this is just going to be a boring little run here, but it's still going to make it to the end. But I won't show you. I'll let you guys play around with it. Don't want to give away any answers. So that's how the simulation works. You can play around with the shapes of the hill, run to make that car go, and keep amount of energy checked. That just shows you how potential and kinetic energy is changing as the car goes across the track. So that's a quick tutorial of this simulation, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Hope you guys have fun with it. Talk to you later.